Hey guys, so welcome to a new video. So today in this video I'm going to meet one of my very good friends who is a UPSC aspirant, and like I'm going to meet her, and this is going to be after a long time. And you might have seen her in my one of my video in wherein I went to Meerut to meet her. So that is the friend I'm going to meet today. So like I'm going to show you where she stays and the cost of that, and also like will give you idea about the cost of living in Delhi as a UPSC aspirant. So keep watching this video. I'm going now. I am running out of time, so watch this video till the end. Bye. Project, this is one of the most dangerous station, crowd-wise. So I have reached already now. Hi. Let's go. Is it walking distance from here? 4-5 minutes. So we have reached her PG. Okay.
These are the matti and this is your laddu, mama.
Okay. So this is Matri, one of my favorite. You have to close the door. Wow. See this. You also eat, come on. Sit here, no?
The chair is comfortable.
So she just like shifted yesterday, so our place is not yet like arranged properly because she shifted yesterday only.
How is it?
Nice. Then tell something like how did you find PG and also about Karol Bagh.
15 days back, I came for a PG hunt in Karol Bagh. So I shortlisted 2 PGs, this one and one hobo hostel. So hobo hostel is also very nice, but it was fully occupied. The rooms are very cute. So and plus the lock-in period here is 6 months. There it was 3 months only. This is for like sharing rates for 18,000. That one was for 20,000 in sharing, and here the same is if you want the whole room for yourself, then it's for 28,000, and the hobo hostels one was for 30,000. But the rooms there are very cute. So yeah, like the PG, like you won't find very good PGs in Karol Bagh, na, because you see, and plus the rooms are very small and they'll be very expensive. Like you will find a very small room, very small room for 15,000-16,000. So the PG I'm saying, it's in premium PGs of Karol Bagh.
What is the name?
Goddess PG.
Goddess.
Haan.
By Goddess. Then there are no satans around this PG.
Like if you are looking for a proper PG now, like the ones you have in North Campus, girls PG and everything, like it's also safe, the guard is there. If you are looking for flat or something else now, then you might find. But if you are looking for a proper PG, then you won't. So yeah, this one was
a secure place, like there's someone to look after you.
Guard
When
is
you are
also there.
yes, guard is also there. Then you don't have to think about like lunch, dinner, and breakfast. Like people
Plus
like
laundry.
me who stay in rent have to think.
Here it's like they take 20 clothes each month for laundry, and they'll iron it also.
20 clothes. Excluding electricity, no? Or electricity
all
bill
this is excluding
included.
electricity, but
Oh my god. Then electricity per unit is how much?
like it varies from 11 to 30 rupees per unit.
Actually 8 is the standard one. 8 rupees
But
per
it's
unit.
commercial area, na, so here the charges are more.
Then here to everyone will be like so serious now because preparing for UPSC.
Not everyone, because I made new friends today only, so they are like they've also just started. Some have shifted last night, 2 days before or 10 days before now. So abhi it's not that serious on Lokavi, but yes, people are very much serious here.
Your institute is also Yeah, so like walking distance from here, no?
It's walking. Like this is the best place you will find if you're looking for a PG. Like you have back in North Campus or anywhere, but yeah, the place is good.
Then security money, how much did you deposit?
28,000 plus 1,000. 1,000 was the maintaining charges. So that's one time only.
How much laddu? I'm thinking laddu like I'm thinking
You have
for
to
lunch.
pay the entire thing. Also, we'll be going to Goa next month. Now we are going on a duo trip. So we have found one girl like here in the PG. She's from Goa only. So we'll get our itinerary prepared from her only. So like one tension, we are off from one thing.
And also my birthday is on 25th December.
Yeah.
So this time I'm going to celebrate my birthday there.
In Goa. Wow, Goa is on. Goa is on.
And like we did not plan with a group because like if you are going in a group, then like you have to take the opinion of everyone, and there is like it's not even flexible to change the plan at that moment. And then so if we both are going, then our almost every interest is same, so that we will be easy for each other.
Yeah. Plus we'll make new friends there.
We'll meet people who know like nothing about us.
Plus, yes.
So that will be fun. But the one thing is that we are going Goa at the time, like it's the peak time.
Yeah.
And it's going to cost us like...
Yeah, it's going to be very expensive. Plus the crowd also will be there. So we don't know what type of crowd will be there. We are scared. We want to do so much things, but we don't know.
Who knows, we might get our life partner and then while coming back, 4 of us.
You have to be slow.
Oh my god, can't even make noise here.
Yeah, you can't.
I'm a noisy person. Okay.
We haven't, like it's just 1 month left and we haven't done anything. We have to go to
except
shopping.
Flight booking.
Yeah, we have just done flight booking. Plus it's the peak time, so we are more worried if we won't even get a hotel to stay. So where will we stay? We know nothing.
And after that, from next year onwards, we both will start preparing for UPSC.
Yes.
And after that, from our own money, we'll go to Goa, no?
Yes, and after
that time we'll play all the water sports.
Yeah, she is still going from her own money. I am bad. I take money from my parents.
But this time I have to ask me. So I'm wearing this corset, and this is from Sarojini only. I got it for this is from Sarojini, and I really like the fitting of it. But then this one, like we have 2 options here. We can either put in the the tighter part or the loose one. Now I have don't do like this way. Just keep the camera straight.
Okay.
So when I'm standing up. So actually, like this corset I got from Sarojini, and the fitting is actually very good, but now it looks like loose because there is like 2 options here. You can tie it or even loose it, but then I did the loose one, and now I have to do it like the tight one here. And the fitting is also like very good. You don't need to wear brown this. And I got this for 100 rupees. And also this skirt from my last Sarojini vlog, I got it for 200 rupees. You saw in the video. And this from H&M, like always everything are from H&M, Sarojini or H&M. But these shoes are from Decathlon. They are very dirty, but
they look from Woodland.
And this is my travel shoe. I didn't go to travel like after buying this shoe. So that's it. And also my bag.
This is like my favorite.
My basic bag. Like I can't afford all kind of bags, so I just bought this H&M basic bag because this can go with like every kind of clothes. If you are like in casual dress also it will go, and also if you're stylish it will go. So
and this is for how much?
This was for 1,200 or 1,500. I don't
Even
know.
I
like,
want
H&M price is always like 1,200 or 1,500. Or else, I know their price. Everywhere 99.99.
Yeah.
So this is my friend. Like if you add your pocket money, then 30,000 plus, and also electricity, like you just give it for 2-3,000. In summer, though, like you will use AC now, it'll be for like 2-3,000.
But then I'm thinking I'll change my summers, like because 6 months is the rocking period. Now after that I want to shift to a flat if I find some good friends here. Na. So then I'll shift.
Oh,
Otherwise,
okay.
I'll take her with me. Like she's like the first option, not
But I am like very low budget person. I have to maintain my budget. Or it's 30,000 यहाँ में देगा, and after that my pocket money, electricity, and after the travel expense, like तो पापा का सैलरी निकल जाएगा यार उतना में तो 30,000 से किसी का फैमिली चलता है, and हर किसी यार पर गलती है यार 30,000 एक छोटा सा रूम के लिए, हमको तो रुपया रिसीव करने के लिए पाप लगेगा यार खुद को.
My dad was like, you don't go there, you study here only. I'll give you 30,000 or 40,000 per month जब तक you want. Okay? No, अगर आप मुझे 1 crore rupees भी दोगे तो भी see how dumb and stupid I am.
But still ना मनी तो आना जाना होते रहेगा.
ये because our college life was spoiled. Brutally spoiled. So now I'm like, no, I can't wait anymore.
I can't
just
afford
2-3 months. Yeah, I just have 3 to 4 months. Not even 3 to 4 months, 2 months just. So I want to enjoy, live my life to the fullest in Karol Bagh. But you guys, if you're looking if you just want to enjoy, then don't go for a PG in Karol Bagh. Find some other place because here you can't make noise. You have to be very silent. So remember, okay.
Also, friends are not allowed to stay here, but I just came for 15 to 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Or else we are planning like I will be staying with her.
I wanted to. I badly wanted to stay with her, but yeah.
But no option, so we are going to my house today, so that we can stay together.
But see, I'm all brands. This is Nike. This is Jockey. This is Adidas. This is Reebok.
Nice. That is the sign of richness. And still single, like not having boyfriend. All the gold digger boys can contact her.
Gold digger boy.
Yes, you can contact her. But some girls are like this now, like
my friends are like
always complaining you are single. But when when boys propose, then you run away from them. Then you are like you won't get boyfriend at all. No?
Yeah, I am that person. Yeah. My college is about over, and still I'm like, oh, I have a boyfriend, but I don't want one.
No, but still complaining like don't have a boyfriend, but don't want a boyfriend also.
Yeah.
But all the gold digger boys should contact her, man.
See, I have something. UPSC scrunchies. I've bought many scrunchies. Every time.
Also look at this chair, man. This look like officer UPSC prepare कर रहा है. हाँ, वही officer chair है ये तेरा.
See. Like this one is not UPSC.
You also have like so many of my scrunchies.
But I bought very less, but the basic one, because otherwise people are like she should come here to like just to flaunt herself and just for fashion. So I bought very less. Her scrunchies, like they are amazing. I really miss you, and you know what? More than me, no, not more than me, but my mom misses her too. Like she's like, oh, Yupa ye, Yupa wo. So we keep talking about her at our place. Also, you know what? Kiki is like, वो सबसे मिलता है. He's like
Kiki is like her
Kiki
dog.
is my dog. So he loves everyone. कोई unknown भी आएगा ना, then also उसको भी he won't bark at him. He'll be like, oh, like long lost friend has come, so he'll meet that too. But you know what? When Yupa came na, he was like, he cried, like he literally had tears in his eyes. I was like, wow.
So I have to maintain silence, like और हमको maintain silence करने का आदत नहीं है भाई, हल्ला गुल्ला करने का आदत है. So यहाँ पानी रखने वाला, and that is the kitchen ना बोल. No, this is kitchen.
Like this is like
that is
normal
dining
gas
hall.
for making Maggi. No, dining hall is like downstairs.
Oh, okay.
It's on the ground floor. So that is kitchen. Like normal kitchen, you can't make food here, but just Maggi and all of that
Oh,
stuff.
okay.
Not just
It's for the
snacks.
students.
Yeah. But food is not allowed. Otherwise, alarms will ring if you make non-veg or anything.
Arre.
So you're not allowed for anything. This is hot water. Like you don't get generally this purified in PG. This is hot water. This is cold water. This is normal water.
So you have seen the coast and the PG. So we are going out now to CP, which is like very near from here, and also after that to my place. No, after that to Safdarjung, then to my place. So that's it.
Charger तो नहीं लूँ ना?
Thank you for watching this video. चार्जर है मेरे पास.
Power bank?
नहीं है. Thank you for हाँ ले नहीं, पावर बैंक का क्या जरूरत है. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, बाय। कंटिन्यू हो सकता है पर ना, कंटिन्यू हो सकता है पर बहुत लंबा हो गया वीडियो।
25%।
कोई बात नहीं यार, छोड़ दो।